the Hudson River, looking at 1 and 4 World Trade Center. Alright, so just a quick recap. Work is being done on the mechanical floors for a special type of class on 1 World Trade Center. The antenna spire pieces are delivered and will be installed. Base piece of the spire has already been installed. And the class will continue to work its way up, and more internal work will be done inside to complete this tower. I heard now the completion date is early 2014 now, roughly. Well, I'm pretty sure there's a lot they have to do inside, so that's why it got pushed back a year. Tower 4 should be open, I guess, 2013 sometime. I think it's still on schedule. But there's a lot to do. And when this thing is done, I'm no doubt I will definitely be going to the top. Years from now, but I will definitely be going to the top when this tower is done. 1 World Trade Center. Alright, I'm gonna take a few more shots before I end it, but I'm gonna say now that I hope you enjoyed this update, and I will of course be staying on schedule now with my updates. I post my updates once a month towards the end of each month, so be sure to look for them. If you have any questions about 1 World Trade Center or anything here at the site, feel free to leave a comment or send me a message. I'll get back to you as soon as I can. And I'll do my best to answer those questions for you. If you have any suggestions about my videos, please tell me. I want to make sure that you enjoy them, so I'm open to any comments or suggestions about videos for future updates. Also, if there's anything specific that you want me to cover, again, leave a comment, send me a message. I'll do my best to get as close to it as I can. I'm NJT Amtrak Guy, and I hope you've enjoyed this update. I'm going to go back around, take a few more shots before I close out. Very beautiful day out today. Today is Wednesday, December 19th, 2012. I just noticed on Tower 4 right here, the elevators, the construction elevators have been dismantled. Alright, a worker just gave me some information on the antenna spire. I asked them were they going to lift any other pieces. They said it's going to be up to 2 weeks before another piece goes up. There are other things that need to be done first before another piece goes up. So I guess these will sit here for now. On the Manhattan Bridge. I just noticed this on the top of 1 World Trade Center. That one antenna piece that was lifted on the 12th is still up there. They haven't installed it yet, but it's on that platform waiting to be installed. So I guess that'll be done within the next week or so, as soon as the roof finishes off. Now, I really thought that first piece of the antenna was installed already. Apparently it has not yet been bolted down into place. It's still sitting right up down that platform. That little piece that you see there, right next to the crane. Alright, now I just walked all the way over here from World Trade, across the Manhattan Bridge here to Brooklyn Bridge Park. I decided to come back over here since I was far behind on my updates. So yep, there's 1 in 4 World Trade Center. And then if you look at the top next to the white crane on the platform, that is that first antenna spire section that was lifted up on the 12th. I'll definitely point it out to you if you can't see it, but it's there. So for now it's just sitting on the platform waiting to be installed. Here's just another look for you. Again, right next to that crane. That first section to the antenna spire is still sitting there. Not yet bolted into place, but it's still there. My camera zoom is not that powerful, but I'll definitely point it out to you. So yes, that's the first section of the antenna spire. And pretty soon that'll be bolted in place, and then other sections will be lifted. You know, when towers 2 and 3 get built, you won't be able to see the World Trade Center from this angle. Because 2, when built, will be right in front of it. Alright everybody, that's all I got time for today. So now I'm here at my destination, Brooklyn Bridge Park. I'm now about to close this update. Be sure to rate, leave a comment, let me know what you think about the towers and the progress. If you have any questions to ask me, I'll be more than happy to answer you. And most importantly, I hope you've enjoyed this update. I'm NJT Amtrak Guy, and I'll see you next time. Also, Merry Christmas, Happy Holidays. I also would like to say Happy Holidays. I hope you've enjoyed this update. Thank you for watching.